Hey there. Today a couple days ago I ordered some Rubik's cubes, and I figured I'd open them. So, yeah. The tape on them is really tight, so I have to use a knife to cut them open. So, right here I have my 3x3. It's already partially opened. Okay then. It's a Cyclone Speed Cube. It's got the algorithms right there. It's really nice. Yeah, this is actually really, really nice. Like, just feel this. Yeah. Okay, and then in here I also have my 2x2. My 2x2 is right here. It's probably gonna feel exactly like the 3x3 did. The 3x3 felt great, so I'm just gonna do that. These were all imported from Japan. There's the solution guide, and then got myself 2x2 right here if I can get it out. Yeah, this is the 2x2. It's really nice. There you go. Then I've got the last one out of the ones that I ordered that I actually know how to solve, which is the Rubik's Revenge. Well, I've got the solution guide right here, and then...
Can you even read it?
Yeah.
It's not your language.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's in Japanese. I forget about that.
I actually think they have it on this side in English. Nope. Nope. Okay. I was wrong.
So yeah, there's my 4x4. And then this is the one that I don't know how to solve. I have to learn this one. Originally I wasn't going to order this one, but then I found a bundle that came with it for free. Like, it came with it and it was cheaper, so I mean, why not? I've got the Japanese solution guide right there. Stop dropping my cube. And then I've got the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 5x5. Also known as Professor Cube. I'm just gonna... Nope, that was wrong. Ah, here it is. So, yeah, those are my Rubik's Cubes. I mean, might as well mix up some of them and show you how they're solved. I'm gonna leave this one solved for now, though. So first I've got 3x3. This is my main. My record's 13 seconds. Not, trying to do it too fast now. Even though these are speed cubes, I made sure that they were speed cubes before I ordered them. Yeah. And then I also have the 2x2. That's another one that I know how to solve. My old one got broken because my friend threw it across the room. And then somebody got mad at me and ripped a sticker off of it. So I replaced it. So, I guess you can just have that one. And so, yeah. This feels really great. Oh, I can't believe they came. It's about time. Even though I was expecting... Yeah, I was expecting them a day later than this, actually. If you are...
Okay, that is not right.
Okay. Okay. This is the last one. So there's 3x3.
Can I get this one?
And now I've got 2x2. My record on the 2x2 is actually only 30 seconds. Because I don't usually try and solve this one too quickly. Okay. Whoops. Okay, it's got the blue that's solved. And I'm pretty sure I know how to solve the Professor Cube, but just in case, I'm gonna leave this one solved. Possibly get some YouTube tutorials up and ready for that one, just in case.
We forgot to
And-
mention the pouch for the cube.
Oh, I have a pouch to keep them in.
It will only hold one.
Okay, cool. Just put that in there. Okay, no, it's too
It'll
big.
hold the 2x2.
It'll hold the 2x2 and the 3x3, but that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is my Rubik's Cube collection. Bye.